Population attributable risk diabetes type 2. Why do you become a type 2 diabetic? The causes are an unhappy pancreas, meaning that your pancreas is not creating sufficient insulin for your body. Also, a very unhappy pancreas, meaning that your pancreas is not creating any insulin at all, or your body is just not responding adequately to the insulin. 5 factors: overweight, inactive lifestyle, family history, pregnancy, and age. Diabetes can be a common risk factor for people who are overweight, given that obesity causes such an increase of fatty acids, leading to insulin resistance and leaving your body to try and produce its own insulin. It causes it to not produce as much, and the body cells not responding to it. An inactive lifestyle has the correlation of being overweight, although it is not the same, and it is also known to be a risk factor. Many people who are overweight don't necessarily have an inactive lifestyle, although inactivity can also be a cause of diabetes. A person who is inactive makes its body change its metabolism, including insulin resistance, again leading to becoming a type 2 diabetic. Family history is also considered one of the leading risks of diabetes. It is most likely that if a parent or sibling has diabetes, gene mutations can occur along with environmental influences, making this a high-risk person for type 2 diabetes within the same family tree. Women when pregnant tend to have a hormonal increase, including in the placenta. This causes for its hormones to cause glucose to build up in the bloodstream. It is a simple solution for the pancreas to hold within the insulin that it creates. Although if your body cannot create enough insulin, the risk of becoming a type 2 diabetic while pregnant can be high. Age is yet another risk for a person to become a type 2 diabetic. Middle age is when diabetes diagnoses really start to spike. An estimated 14% of Americans ages 45 to 64, or 11 million people, are diagnosed with type 2. That's almost 5 times the rate of those 18 to 44. Available health programs. The National Diabetes Prevention Program. The National Diabetes Prevention Program is a program or website provided by the CDC, and it's a huge tool for people. The website provides tools and resources to know about diabetes and how to treat it. It also provides updated articles of the disease to keep people informed. It offers online quizzes and tests to help determine if you can possibly suffer from diabetes. And it offers lifestyle changes programs. The YMCA at your local community also offers programs. YMCA's diabetes prevention program suggests modest weight loss, eating healthy, and regular physical activity have been shown to reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. They offer programs for older adults, blood pressure and sugar self-monitoring, in-person activities to keep a healthy lifestyle. For more information about the YMCA, check out their website. Are you a diabetic? For more clinical and accurate information, visit your doctor or local community resources to ensure you are not at risk of becoming a type 2 diabetic.